paano po pag part-time lang, may tax pa rin? Since wala pong nakalagay sa tax code natin na exempted sa tax or ITR filing ang part-time, the answer is yes, may tax pa rin po yon. Pero meron naman po tayong non-taxable na 250,000 per year sa income tax. So possible naman po na walang tax yung part-time mo, yung side hustle mo, pero yung requirement ng pag-file ng income tax return, required pa rin po yun.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.